So let's say what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around onto the user section and then go to subscribers right here. So here you can see that there's no subscribers yet, and I want to go ahead and add in subscribers. But I already have another site as well inside this WordPress account itself. So let's say I want to import my subscribers from there. In that case, you can go around and click on add subscribers, and here you can see that you can go ahead and then choose to add subscribers manually, which is one thing that you can do, or you can click on the three dot button and then choose to migrate subscribers from another WordPress site. So I have sample tututube.wordpress.com right here. So let's say I want to import it out from another website, that is tututube.sample.wordpress.com. So you can migrate out the subscribers, and it says this will move all the subscribers from sample to tututube sample piece. Are you sure? So I'm just going to go around and click on confirm, and then it says your subscriber migration has been queued, and you will an email will be received right here. Let me just go ahead and refresh out right here. So now you can see that it has actually finished out the migration, and then you got the subscribers right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and migrate subscribers from another site that you may have into the WordPress site from one place to another, just like this inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.